Michelin CrossClimate 2, the undisputed all-season champion for years, now faces its successor, the Michelin CrossClimate 3. Launched in May 2025, the CrossClimate 3 carries big expectations. The question is, has Michelin truly raised the bar, or is the legend still unbeatable? Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin CrossClimate 2 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Tyre Review's Michelin CrossClimate 2 versus CrossClimate 3 tyre tests. In wet braking, the CrossClimate 3 stopped in 30.29 meters, 0.9 meters shorter than the CrossClimate 2. That's a 3% improvement. Wet handling also showed progress, 0.67 seconds quicker around the course, with the CrossClimate 3 scoring a perfect 10 in subjective handling, compared to CrossClimate 2's 9.5, a 3% difference. Straight line aquaplaning, 1% better grip retention. Snow, even better. Braking improves by 4%, traction is 3% faster, and snow handling time drops nearly a second. The CrossClimate 3 refines every move in snow, outperforming the CrossClimate 2 across the board. Dry braking, minimal difference, just 0.17 meters shorter, or negligible 0%. But dry handling tells a different story. The CrossClimate 3 completes the lap 0.7 seconds faster, and subjective scores jump by 4%. Feedback is sharper, turn-in is better. Comfort also takes a step up, a perfect 10 for the CrossClimate 3, up from the 9.5. It's smoother, quieter, and more refined. Rolling resistance coefficient value for CrossClimate 3 rises slightly from 7.1 to 7.2. Just 1%, a fair trade-off for all that extra grip. But the game changer, mileage. Michelin claims a 15% boost in tread life. That makes the CrossClimate 3 not just better performing, but longer lasting too. From wet roads to snowy curves, the CrossClimate 3 doesn't just replace the CrossClimate 2, it elevates it. With better wet braking, snow braking, comfort, and an impressive 15% gain in mileage. This is Michelin doing what Michelin does best, redefining the all-season category.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.